And in front of me is Honor 15, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first, let's open the browser that you're using. Okay, so here's Chrome. This is my browser. Tap on More icon then, and select Settings. Let me click on History then, and now select Clear Browsing Data. Now pick the options that you would like to remove. So here we've got Browsing History, Cookies and State Data, Cache Images and Files, and then go to Advanced. And if you'd like to remove everything, just mark also Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and Site Settings. Then just pick the time range. So let me just mark it, and I will go with all time, tap on Clear Data then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.